All right, so welcome back to my channel again. We are solving Natas challenge from OverTheWire application, and in my previous video, we have obtained the username password for level 3. So let's try to log in level 3 and let's see if we can find the password for level 4. So if I type over here, that should be Natas 3, and let's try to log in on this. Okay, so there's nothing on this page. So let's try to see the source page. It says that no more leaks, not even Google will find it this time. Okay, so generally I have done like I would say challenges like this, and there's one thing we can analyze over here is to find the robot.txt page. So this page actually contains information or directories that are not visible to the end users. So uh, we'll try to see and analyze this robot.txt and see if we can get any hints for our password, like level 4 password. So let's check. Okay, so we see a user agent star and there's something which is disallowed here. So this looks like a directory to me. So let me just check this once. So okay, I did something wrong over here. Okay, we found something. Even if I added one slash extra slash, and see, we have found the user.txt. So let's analyze this and see. Oh, bingo, we have found the password for level 4 as well. Wow, it's quite nice. Okay, so that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.